The city of Mecca, located in present-day Saudi Arabia, holds great significance in Islamic history as the birthplace of Prophet Muhammad. It is a city with a rich history, deeply rooted in the religion of Islam. Before the time of Prophet Muhammad, Mecca was a center of trade and commerce. The city was home to the Kaaba, a sacred site that was revered by the pagan Arab tribes. However, the city was also plagued by social injustices and the worship of multiple gods. It was in Mecca that Prophet Muhammad received the first revelations of the Quran from the angel Gabriel, marking the beginning of his prophethood. He preached the message of monotheism and compassion, challenging the prevailing norms of the city. The rulers and elites of Mecca opposed Prophet Muhammad's message, leading to years of persecution and hardship for the early Muslim community. Despite the opposition, Prophet Muhammad and his followers continued to spread the message of Islam with patience and perseverance. In the year 622, Prophet Muhammad and his followers migrated to the city of Medina, marking the beginning of the Islamic calendar. This event, known as the Hijra, holds great significance in Islamic history and is a symbol of the resilience of the Muslim community. Years later, Prophet Muhammad and his followers returned to Mecca as victors, and the city embraced the message of Islam. The idols in the Kaaba were removed, and the city became a center of Islamic learning and worship. Today, Mecca stands as the holiest city in Islam, attracting millions of pilgrims from around the world every year. The Kaaba remains the focal point of the annual Hajj pilgrimage, where Muslims come to fulfill one of the 5 pillars of Islam. The history of Mecca and the life of Prophet Muhammad serve as a source of inspiration for Muslims around the world. It is a reminder of the importance of perseverance, faith, and dedication to the teachings of Islam. The city of Mecca continues to hold a special place in the hearts of Muslims as the birthplace of their faith and the legacy of Prophet Muhammad.